Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
We have received a total number of 23 patients who are banned from Laraba Abasawa Gizawa local government of Kano State, whom they present early hours around 6 a.m. So they receive adequate care that's due for them. And out of them, we lost 13 of them. Currently, we have 8 that are receiving care within the facility.
This is very, very, very horrific and remains very condemnable that this can happen in our nation today. Nobody can say what necessitated or caused why this young boy would do a thing like this to his own family members and society. But we remain in solidarity in condemning such acts. As a people, I've already condoled the government and the good people of Kano, the Emir of Kano, and continue to urge that as a country, we stand together in fighting such senseless acts. And again, fighting issue of drugs, which my location is. Because the level of drug prevalence within our youth is unacceptable, which is one of the things that I condemn and continue to say that we must ensure that these young ones become productive to the society.